Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer working with Figma, you know just how messy files can get once your project starts piling up with pages, components, and mockups. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, professional file organization system that will transform your Figma workspace into something clean, intuitive, and super efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your design project, from the very first cover page to your final mockups, making it effortless to find what you need, collaborate with teammates, and impress stakeholders. Let's dive straight into it. When you first open up your Figma project, the very first thing you'll want to set up is a cover page. Think of this cover as the front door to your entire project. It's the first impression anyone sees, whether it's a client, colleague, or even your future self. Give it a catchy project name, maybe add a date, and use a recognizable color scheme or an image that represents your dashboard UI project. This small effort goes a long way. It immediately sets the tone and signals that the file is thoughtfully organized. Plus, little things like a polished cover can help you stand out when you share your files with others. Next, you'll want to create a Start Here page. This is like the welcome mat just inside the door. On this page, give a quick overview of the project and lay out everything viewers need to know before jumping into the design itself. Think about adding a brief description, a version history, a list of contributors, or even simple instructions for how to navigate the file. This is especially helpful if you're working in a team or handing the file off to someone else, but even for solo projects, it can be a great reference point. After that comes the Style Guide page. Now, this page is a lifesaver when it comes to maintaining consistency across your designs. Here, you want to collect all your foundational styles, think colors, text styles, grid systems, and iconography. It's like your recipe book for the whole project. If someone new jumps in, they'll know instantly what colors to use for primary buttons, which fonts go where, and how to keep spacing consistent. Trust me, setting this up early on avoids so much confusion down the road and speeds up the design process. Moving forward, create a page just for your components. Components are the reusable building blocks of your project: buttons, form fields, navigation bars, you name it. Keeping them together in one clearly labeled spot means you'll never need to go hunting through random frames to find that one drop-down menu you designed last week. Plus, if you ever have to make a global change, like updating the shape of all your buttons, you can do it all from the single page. It's a massive time saver and just makes collaboration cleaner and more reliable. Then we reach the Designs page. This is where all of your actual layouts live, from wireframes to high-fidelity screens. Organize them by flow or by section, whatever makes sense for your dashboard project. Remember, a tidy design page becomes a great storytelling tool when presenting your work to clients or teammates. It helps everyone easily follow the user journey you've crafted. And finally, don't forget to include a mockup page. This is where you place your finished screens inside realistic device frames or context images, so viewers can visualize exactly how your design will look out in the real world. Mockups are perfect for pitching to stakeholders, demoing in portfolios, or just giving your designs that final polished touch. And there you have it. By dividing your Figma file into these purposeful, well-labeled pages, a cover, a Start Here page, a style guide, components, designs, and mockups, you work faster, hand off smoother, and look like a true pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.